Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of deploy. Move troops or equipment into position for military action. For example, forces were deployed at strategic locations. American pronunciation. Deploy. Deploy. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Deploy. Say. Deploy. Deploy means move troops into position for military action. Deploy. Deploy. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The Legion was often deployed in hopeless military situations. Now, repeat after me. The Legion was often deployed in hopeless military situations. The second practice. About 160 Special Forces troops are deployed directly on the island itself. Now, repeat after me. About 160 Special Forces troops are deployed directly on the island itself.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.